What if you could attend the biggest cloud computing event of the year in Las Vegas completely for free? Yes, flights, hotel, and the thousands of dollars event ticket all paid for. Today, we are breaking down the AWS All Builders Welcome Grant. This is a massive diversity and inclusion initiative by Amazon to bring underrepresented tech professionals straight stage. Let's look at what you get. First up, the financial coverage is insane. The grant hands you a full complimentary registration pass to AWS reInvent. That alone is worth over $2,000. On top of that, AWS books and pays for your round trip airfare directly to Las Vegas and covers 5 full nights at an official reInvent hotel. But it's not just a free vacation. You get access to a tailored, exclusive track designed to fast track your cloud career through dedicated mentorship. You will be paired directly with AWS leaders, participate in cohort only networking events, and attend specialized small group technical briefings. So, who exactly is eligible to apply for this life changing tech grant? Let's clear up the requirements. You must be at least 21 years old and currently within the first 5 years of your career as a professional technologist, developer, or engineer. The program specifically targets individuals who identify as underrepresented in the technology industry, including women, minorities, and diverse backgrounds. You also cannot have received an All Builders Welcome grant in the past. AWS is looking for fresh talent ready to maximize this learning experience. When applications open up, the process takes place entirely online. You'll need to submit a thorough application detailing your career journey. The absolute most important part of the application is the essay section. This is where you explain your specific career goals in the cloud. Don't just say you want a free trip. Clearly explain how attending will allow you to impact your community or company. Keep a very close eye on the application deadlines. Spots are highly competitive and they review applications dynamically as they come in. Head over to the official AWS reInvent page linked in my description below to read the full details and bookmark the application page. If you want more exclusive updates, join our WhatsApp community, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in next video.